See this edge? So it's a little bit of room, but they want the screws to go right there. So the edge of the board has to come over just a little bit. But I gotta get all around here, like to wherever I cut it out or whatever I do, where he's gonna just like fold the material back right there. And then this is probably too far down from this, so I have to just stay close to that around there, but it has to go over this, further down over this. It wasn't like this. It's like see this piece here, down in there? This thing went straight, and they wanted it to come and cover this. So I had to fit the old piece, but I had to sew a piece on the bottom of the old piece and then cut off, whatever I had to do. But see, then I still gotta, like right here, because I asked Bradley if that was gonna be too far away from there, so I might have to take this out and push this back and add a piece to the bottom so that this comes up. That's in there, but this is closer because from here back, it's nowhere to put screws. Like it's weird places that screws were. So, and this wasn't easy because I'm sitting there in the trunk trying to do this with a wrinkled up piece of plastic.